Standard 8 Maths Chapter 1 Rational Number. Hello everyone. In our previous video, we have discussed about the property of closure on whole numbers under mathematical operation of addition and subtraction. In this video, we will continue our discussion with multiplication. We will continue our discussion with multiplication. Now, if we multiply two whole numbers, it should give a whole number. Is it true? Now we can check it with help of examples. We multiply 2 with 3. Answer will be 6. 5 by 9. Answer will be 45. If we multiply 0 by 9, it will be 0. So 2 and 3 are whole numbers. Resultant 6 is also a whole number. 5 and 9 are whole numbers. Resultant 45 is also a whole number. 0 and 9 are whole numbers, and 0, which is the resultant number, is also a whole number. So from this discussion, it is concluded that whole numbers are closed under multiplication. Whole numbers are closed under multiplication. Now we check it for division. When we divide A by B, resultant will be C. We have to check whether it holds for division or not. We take an example. 10 divided by 2. Answer is 5. 81 divided by 9. Answer will be 9. 10 divided by 2. Answer is 5. Both are whole number. Answer or resultant is also whole number. 81 divided by 9. Answer is 9. 81, 9 and both are whole numbers, and the resultant 9 is also whole number. But in the last case, when 9 is divided by 12, answer is 3 by 4. So, is it a whole number? We can say no. Yeah, 3 by 4 is a fraction, not a whole number. So, the conclusion is whole numbers are not closed under division. Whole numbers are not closed under division. So whole numbers are closed under addition and multiplication, whereas they are not closed under subtraction and division. So this was closure property for whole numbers under different mathematical operation. Now, as we have checked the case of whole number, we will check it for integers also. Closure property or integers. First, like in previous case, like as in case of whole number, we have checked all the 4 mathematical operation. In this case also, we will check for addition, multiplication, subtraction, division, all 4 operations. So first we'll proceed with addition. What was that? A plus B will give C, where A and B are integer. According to law of closure, C should also be a integers. C 2 plus 3, 5. Both are integers. minus 3 plus 7 4. From these examples, it is concluded that integers are closed under addition. Means if we add two integers, the resultant will also be a integer. If we add two integers, the resultant will always be an integer. So it is said that integers are closed under addition. Now the case will be for subtraction. It states that if we subtract two integers, the resultant should also be an integer. Then only we can say that integers are closed under subtraction. We can have few examples. 2 minus 5, answer will be minus 3. 9 minus 6 or 9 minus 7, you can say answer 2. Minus 6 plus 13, 7. So, sorry. 2 minus 5, answer is minus 3. Whereas 2 and 5 are integer and minus 3 is also an integer. 9 minus 7, answer is 2. 9 and 7 both are integers and 2 is also an integer. Minus 6 and 13, these both are integers and the resultant is also an integer. So this condition that when two integers are subtracted, the resultant is also an integer is satisfied. Therefore, we can conclude that integers are closed under subtraction. Integers are closed under subtraction. Similarly, we can check for multiplication and division also.